I'm going to be showing you how to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open your Google Chrome. So once you're in your Google Chrome browser, you should see something like this. So this is the home page. And now you just need to look at the top right where you can see the three-dot button. Just go ahead and tap here. And now you have multiple options. You just need to select settings, which is right below help right over here. After you tap here, you should see all of these options. So after you're here, you just need to look at the left where you can find the option privacy and security right here. Just go ahead and select this and now scroll down till you find site settings, which is right below security. Just go ahead and select this. Scroll all the way down till you find JavaScript right below third-party cookies. So this is the one. So after you're here, make sure you select the option that says sites can use JavaScript as opposed to don't allow sites to use JavaScript. So if it's in this option, make sure you toggle this button on, and in this way you can successfully enable JavaScript in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.